XRP was the only altcoin that surpassed Bitcoin's market cap, guys, in late 2017 to early 2018. Was the only coin out there, right? It felt like a dream, guys, but it actually legitimately happened. Could it do it again? If it did it one time, why can't it do it again? XRP already took Bitcoin's crown at one point in time for a split second, but Bitcoin overtook XRP, guys, right? Because it is king right now. At one point in time, XRP will be #1 forever. Not financial advice. We have a lot to talk about today in today's video. Altcoin season is here, as well as what's upcoming, guys. We have literally a few months left, supposedly before a black swan occurs. Why? And I'm not joking. There are only 67 days left for the next Bitcoin halving. Are you ready, guys? That's insane, right? So time is literally ticking, right? Each hour that goes on, guys, that passes by, we're getting closer and closer for possibly a melt upwards. This person says, so a lot of people are now predicting higher prices for Bitcoin, guys, right? Now, a lot of people have been saying there are diminishing returns for the cryptosphere. So Bitcoin went to what? 1000x, let's just say, right? Then it went 100x, then it went 10x, and then the next cycle will be like a 3x, guys, or something, right? So diminishing returns people are suggesting. But that doesn't make sense at all, guys, right? So when the consensus, when the herd is saying one thing, what happens next, right? This scenario gets X'd out, which means there will still be outstanding gains, guys, right? And the diminishing returns crew have stated that Bitcoin will top out under 100K, right? But can Bitcoin top out at in the six-figure ranges, guys, right? Range, hundreds of thousands of dollars in this bull cycle, right? It is a mystery right now, but we'll find out. So that's with Bitcoin, guys. Again, post-halving, right? Post-halving, we should see higher prices for Bitcoin and everything else, obviously. Now, I was like, wait a moment, what's happening here? So check in the flare chart, guys, right? This is insane. This is flare, guys, right? The XRP ecosystem as a whole, right? We got XRP, Flare, and Songbird, guys, and a few other tokens to add onto that same ecosystem. This is insane. Are we not? Does this not feel like the beginning signs of alt season, guys? Look at this, right? Flare has literally been rampaging upwards in the past couple days, guys. It's been up 30% almost. That's just with Flare. Now Songbird has been up, what is this? So on February 1st to now, it's been up almost 50%. This doesn't happen in a bear market, guys, right? Again, could this foreshadow some type of altcoin season here soon, guys? Why? We actually have proof right here. People are still bearish. I don't know how. How are you still bearish? Oh, by the way, I'm still in my XRP leverage long, right? I'm not. Even though I could make a good amount of profit right now, I'm not going to cash out. Why? I'm not here for a few cents pump, guys. I'm here for that dollar pump. That would be insanity if it does occur, right? On leverage is insane, guys, but I don't really talk about too much trading because I don't want people to get influenced. Why? Because it's very risky. Now, we know alt season is incoming 100%, guys. Check this out. Ethereum spot ETF will get approved, right? Again, these are the makings of possibly alt season. Again, remember, when there's events on the horizon, people front run those specific events, right? So Ethereum ETF gets approved, let's just say May. When does alt season happen though, right? When does Bitcoin go ballistic? Possibly months beforehand, guys, right? February, March. You guys get it, right? XRP spot ETF will get approved as well. Check this out. DOT spot ETF will get approved. Your altcoins bags will pump 100x. The multi-year alt season has started. There we go, guys, right? Again, like this video if you're aiming to retire your parents by 2025 as well, guys, right? Look at that. So this is crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. So this is all the altcoins, okay, guys? Look, we're in the same type of scenario from previously. We're about to see this insane mega pump, guys. I'm ready for it. I hope they literally pump it before any catastrophic event takes place. Why? Because if they don't, then good luck to your bags, because it's about to be the same thing, that a repeat of 2020, right? And we don't want our profits to be lost, guys. So I hope they pump and create new all-time highs. I'm ready for it. I really am. Look at this right here. All the charts point to the same exact path, and it's upwards. So altcoins, downtrend meets trend line that has been in place for more than 7 years. I don't know how people can be bearish on altcoins, right? And supposedly XRP is an altcoin, guys. So XRP is in the same basket of these charts, right? And these other altcoins. So with XRP, there's something even more grandiose though, right? There's something even more beautiful that's taking place with XRP that people don't see. On the higher time frames that plays out in the next months, guys, on the weekly and 2 weekly charts, we see bullish and hidden bullish divergences occurring. It's not confirmed yet, but this month it probably will get confirmed if XRP keeps pumping. If that gets confirmed, guys, I'll let you guys know when it does. It's off to the races. That means in the next month or two, it's going to go ballistic, guys. XRP will, not financial advice though. No. So yes, the market has risen a little, but that was at most a warm-up. It's getting much wilder in my opinion. As we can see, every time we cross, we break through the resistance line right here, guys, right? These are resistance lines. What happens next? Wow, we're at that point, guys, right? It's getting tighter and tighter until it blasts off, guys, right? And what's this chart? It's Ethereum to Bitcoin. Remember, when Ethereum explodes, everything else goes with it, right? That's alt season. So we're getting so near, guys. What is this? So this is on the weekly, right? Seems like a few more weeks until consolidation or a pump, guys. It gives us until maybe March, right? March, April, around that time. Again, very interesting. Come on, guys. I don't know. I'm super bullish, right? I'm so bullish. I hope I caught the XRP bottom. I'm not joking. If I did, it's going to be generational. I mean, how? It's impossible to catch bottom and tops, guys. That's all we could say. But we did actually catch the DXY top. I literally have a video on my second channel about it. The stock market bottom, Bitcoin's bottom, and XRP altcoins bottom, guys. That's insane. I don't know how we did it, but we did. So the golden cross for altcoins in the 2 weekly chart is very close as well, right? These 2 weekly charts, guys, are insane. Why? Because each candle represents 2 weeks, guys, of price movement, which is explosive, right? The higher time frames, the higher you go, the higher you go and check the higher time frames, guys, it means the move will be more wild than the previous time frames, right? So this is why I say that XRP, if it does get that confirmation on the 2 week, it's going to be instant. It's literally going to be face melting in the next few months, guys. Now, in a few months, the current prices will be a bargain. Don't concentrate too much on the short period of time. It won't help, guys, right? Why? Here's another crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. 2016. What happened? Right, the purple line went above the black line. Purple line above the black line in 2020 as well. The purple line is about to go again above the damn black line, guys. And when it does happen, there seems to be a green candle. Yup, exactly. Each time it happens, there's a green candle, a huge green candle, guys, that comes into view, right? It means in the next, I don't know, maybe weeks we'll see it, guys, or months we'll see it begin. I'm ready. Are you? Not financial advice though. So I'm really a huge fan of bullish crossovers, right? Look at that, 2020. Again, there's so many moving averages, guys, and EMAs, right? All these averages that have been moving bullish, right? Crossing bullish. Look at this, guys. Another one right here, right? It's all altcoins. Now this is interesting because it plays with the bullish sentiment for altcoins and possibly Bitcoin as well, because sounds like another 2 solid weeks of selling left in GBTC minimum, right? So if Bitcoin goes sideways, alts will go higher, right? So this is why Bitcoin has been pumping, is because they're still selling GBTC, guys. Now Jim Cramer has doubled down on his bearish Bitcoin price outlook. Beautiful. Again, guys, that's really good, right? Because he's a contraindicator. Well, recently he wasn't, but I'm guessing he's now back into a contraindicator, guys. Indication. But Facebook and Instagram to allow spot ETFs ads soon as well, guys. You can't make this stuff up, right? Everyone is joining the party, and which means everyone wants. They're going to try to lure everyone in, guys, before some type of black swan occurs. Breaking: BlackRock is buying almost $300 million worth of Bitcoin every day since ETF launch. Bullish AF, guys. Exactly. How can people be bearish? I have no clue, but final numbers for for BlackRock is in, as Aladdin picked up 3,806 Bitcoin for a grand total of 70,000 in 15 trading sessions. Right? Valued at $3 billion, guys. In 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks, let's just say. That's insane, guys. That's insane. Wow. Guys, I can't even fathom it. Right? Look at this. BlackRock and Fidelity own a combined 130,000 Bitcoin worth $5.6 billion for their spot Bitcoin ETFs. MicroStrategy owns 189,000, guys. Right? So BlackRock, Fidelity, these institutions are coming for other companies, right, that hold a lot of Bitcoin, plus Satoshi Nakamoto, because Satoshi holds supposedly 1 million Bitcoin, guys. Right? And if they surpass Satoshi, it's game over. Bitcoin is 100% centralized at that point in time for them. Right? They hold all the control, that just means, guys. And they want control of it. Why? Because it's supposedly a decentralized coin, right? Now, breaking, BlackRock's IBIT ETF has passed GBTC as the largest volume on Wall Street, guys. So there's still demand, which is looking very bullish, guys, and beautiful. Breaking, not to mention, Asia is coming into play. Asia, guys, Hong Kong Bitcoin spot ETF approval expected in the next 90 days as well. Right? So not only are we seeing Wall Street buying everything up, guys, right? BlackRock and all these institutions in America, but as well Asia, the Asian market, guys, will be coming in and gobbling up the Bitcoin supply, which will put pressure higher. Up we go. So if all that's happening, guys, how are people so bearish? Bearish, I don't know. But we see right here from Fred, the case for all-time high within the next 30 to 60 days. That's my belief, guys. I believe we pump dramatically in the next months. Let's step back and ask ourselves how the next 30 to 60 days could play out. A lot of people are fearing a dip, but I want to lay out the bull scenario. GBTC selling pressure on Bitcoin price is largely over, guys. So this is the scenario on how Bitcoin can create a new all-time high, okay? And especially these altcoins as well, because Bitcoin will drag everything else up with it. Now, the $1 billion in Gemini selling will be returned as coin, so that's market neutral. On the other hand, the new 9 is accumulating pretty relentlessly. They're at a total of 175,000 coins valued at $7.5 billion. Right? The companies and the institutions, guys. This is in 18 trading sessions. Over the next 30 to 60 days, there are 20 to 40 trading sessions. I would bet this results in a 4 to 6 billion new USD in inflows, guys, at a market cap of $850 billion. It's pretty easy to see this could move the market 50% or to $64,000, but that's just with institutions buying and gobbling up this Bitcoin supply. What about retail? What about the other people? Come on, guys, right? That adds more fuel to the fire, which means a new all-time high is on the horizon, possibly. So basically, all-time high, right? And this is before the halving and the Wall Street narrative, and everyone else jumping in as well, guys, right? So there we go. Again, the math says it all, guys. How are you bearish? I'm not. Don't follow me. Follow the proof in the damn pudding. Not financial advice. Let us see what happens in the future. What do we say, Sophie? It's amazingness. See ya.